Hi everyone, welcome to my course, Extracting Text and Data with Amazon Textract. I'm a software developer, a data capture and business automation specialist. Amazon Textract is a service that automatically extracts text and data from scanned documents. Amazon Textract goes beyond simple optical character recognition to also identify the contents of fields in forms and information stored in tables. Many companies today extract data from documents and forms through manual data entry that is slow and expensive, or through simple optical character recognition that requires manual customization or configuration. Rules and workflows for each document and form often need to be hard-coded and updated with each change to the form or when dealing with multiple forms. If the form deviates from the rules, the output is often scrambled and unusable. Textract overcomes these challenges by using machine learning, without the need for any manual effort or custom code. Some of the major topics we will cover include core concepts and getting started with Textract, text detection and analysis, lines, forms, tables, and selection elements, key value and table extraction, working with multi-page documents, extracting and saving data from PDFs, and finally watching these technologies and principles getting applied by creating our own scripts with some very cool demos. By the end of this course, you'll know the fundamentals of extracting text and data with Amazon Textract and be able to write code that uses it. Before beginning the course, you should have some good knowledge of Python, as well as being able to find your way around the latest version of Visual Studio Code. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn the ins and outs of extracting text and data with Amazon Textract at Pluralsight.